In this quick guide video, let me show you how to cancel the Jio Hotstar subscription. For whatever reason, if you're trying to now cancel the subscription of the Jio Hotstar plan, in today's video, let me show you the simple steps. First things first, open up the Jio Hotstar application, or you can also do this process using its website. Once you're inside of the platform, make sure you're inside of the My Space section so that you'll be able to view the help and settings, which is on the top right of the screen. So just tap on the help and setting on the top right. From the help and settings section, you'll be able to see the first option, which is account settings. Tap on the first option, and inside of account settings right here, it's going to show you the current plan that you have and the number of months that you subscribe to and your next payment date. In order to cancel the subscription, just tap on the cancel button. This way, it's again going to ask you, are you sure? You just need to tap on yes, and your plan or the subscription of Jio Hotstar will be immediately cancelled out. So that's pretty much there is in the way that you cancel your Jio Hotstar subscription. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.